Well, good morning, my people. This is Angel again over here. First time video on YouTube channel. So you have a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. The Chief 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. If you have this problem inside where you get in, tuning up your car, guess what? Your shifter don't work at all. It is a very easy solution. Service shifter. See that? What it says, service shifter. And the service shifter over there. Very easy. Don't work, no shift, nothing at all. Simple solution, man. What you have to do, check this out. Over here in the door compartment, right in this area over here, is a wiring. That wiring is get loose. That wiring get loose, it causes the service don't work. Check this out. Let me see if I can get it from this hand. Watch this. Guess what? Look. Wow, magic. It worked. Look. Can you imagine that? You bring it to the dealer do a bunch of stuff and can figure out what is the problem with your Pacifica, why they're not shifting in nothing. They cut my vinyl here in 3 pieces. Try to configure out to remove this when the problem all the time is right here in this area, the glove box. Right behind here is a wire harness. They need to be replaced or take out and put it together back again to clean up. Simple like that, my friend. Simple like that. Easy way to save money. So first video, hopefully you like it. Subscribe, like, comment. We'll be putting some more for the great Pacifica. Thank you.